To arm the system, press Command and then the soft key under Arm on the keypad. Now enter your code. Then press Command and the system is now armed. You have 60 seconds to exit the building. If you enter the building after hours or on the weekends, you'll have to disable the alarm system. After you enter the door, the keypad will make a chirping sound, letting you know that it needs to be disarmed. Enter your code and press Command. This disables the system. In the event of a false alarm, the system will need to be disarmed. Start by entering your 4-digit code and pressing Command. This silences the alarm. It will still need to be disarmed. Press Command until Disarm appears on the screen. Press the key under Disarm and enter your code again. Then press Command and the alarm has been disabled.